Hi guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show with me, your host Sean. Today we're discussing the company I sold my Gilead for. Now, I bought Gilead, as I said, around between 40 and 60. I bought it for 40, it's gone up, it had its shoot up. I bought some more at 60 when certain things happened, and of course I trimmed my position at 70. Now I of course it's gone back down, and and people were panic selling. I scooped some more up, it's gone up again, and I've come completely out of Gilead. Despite but I've done it after the immunodynamics deal. I think this deal is good for Gilead, but I'm going to explain to you the reason why. I've done a couple of videos, short videos on this, but I think this company deserves its own one. I apologise for the background noise, we are outside, it is inevitable. I have a lot of videos to get through today. They do need to be done today, so I hope you will bear with me over this. Anyway, the company's name is Tiziana Life Sciences. I spoke to a couple of my US colleagues over this. They said it looks nice. The problem is the financials. Problem with the financials is Yahoo Finance hasn't updated it since last December. They've raised capital a low percentage. Can't get much lower than 0%, although it's more 1% that they've raised it at. And they've got enough capital now to last them for the next 2.5 years. They won't need to raise any more capital. The CEO has come out and said that today. Now, I did a video a couple of weeks ago stating that they have just received 4 patents from the US FDA, one for COVID-19, one for cancer. Well, you can look all this up yourself, or you can look through my videos. Now, I did a video yesterday over the fact in October they are going to court 2 times to secure a date to spin off the stem printer side of their business. Now, back in April I did a video on these guys, but back then I didn't even have 20 subscribers. Just so that you know, and March, April time, when everyone, all the big boys, even GlaxoSmithKline and Pfizer and Merck, were consolidating their finances, running for the hills, trying to work out about a vaccine and make sure they had enough cash to get themselves through it. This company that was working on a vaccine went and acquired another company because they realised that, and this was a company of 12 people at the time, this company realised that they were better suited to pick up the company they picked up. Sorry, I'm mumbling a bit. The company they picked up would be help them progress in their goal. Now, there for all you mob. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Now, that can be used for respiratory diseases, can be used for a whole host of diseases, and it uses a T cell. And I suggest you look on their web page where it has a whole host of information if you want more information, and perhaps look at my previous videos regarding this and the interviews that I've included with the CEOs. Now, I am really excited about this because I'm not sure if you know or not, but diabetes type 1 is basically where someone has an overactive T cell, and the T cells see the pancreas and insulin as an alien body trying to attack the system. So I said, and this is just a theory, they may be able to use their system somewhere down the line to come up with a diabetes treatment. I know I speak about diabetes a lot. I do not have it, for those of you who have asked the question, but I do have family members and friends who do have it. So I do know some of the issues with it. Now, I have had family members with cancer. I've known people who have had COVID. So when you've seen some of the companies and how they've been catapulted, I think with this company they're just not great with the media and the PR, and that's the only downside. They're great managing it, they're great with what they do, they're great with progressing it. They haven't spent long on this, and now they're fast tracking and expect they expect between October and December time to have clinical results on human trials for the COVID-19 drug. I just love the way these guys do it, because it's going to take them years to have patent approved. When they start working on something, they put the patent in already, and then they get like American, UK, European patent. They secure it right then and there. And it has already gone up for, look at in the last 5 days how much it's gone up. It's one that not many people talk about. It doesn't make the news, but I think it's one that you should be looking at. And I don't think it's one that's going 100x, but please do your own due diligence. Do not. This is going to be a volatile stock, because what you're going to get is you're going to get people when it hits 2 or 210. You're going to get people selling off and taking profit. Remember, I've been in this stock since it was 40 pence. Now it's 160. It did hit 210, and you're going to get other people in it as well. And when it hit 210, you had massive sell-off. You are going to get people selling off because they've been in it so long, and they will have 5x their money. But the question is, are you going to be in for October and December are the telling times. You in October, they're going to call. They want to issue a dividend, which they've never issued before. They want to basically demerger the stem printer into another company, and you will qualify for new shares if that goes through, and that'll be in October time. December time, the COVID-19 treatment will come out. Now, I was in Gilead because I said the insurance companies will pay for remdesivir. The cruise liners will pay for remdesivir because it allowed the cruise liners to sail, and it will shorten the time in hospital by 3 days. But it's only for those with severe COVID or certain types of COVID. Now, this, and at the time, Gilead was undervalued, even without remdesivir. Now this, you have a treatment that could make remdesivir obsolete, and at the same time they have three other treatments. When you consider that Gilead spent 22 billion on a breast cancer treatment, and they have breast cancer among other cancers as well. I do think it's worth looking at. I'm not saying throw your whole portfolio at it. I'm just saying pick up a small position once you've done your own due diligence. But I'm just an idiot on the internet. What do I know? What I do know is if you want to pick up a free share worth up to £200, why not check out the links in the description below? You know, you only have to sign up and deposit a small amount. You get a free share. I get a free share. It's a win-win. It helps support the channel. I don't charge a Patreon or anything like that. If you want to check out some previous YouTube videos, I think you may enjoy. They're in the links in the description. I'll also put one of the CEOs interviews. You may want to check that out. As well as that, I'll bid you goodbye. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay savvy, stay investing. That's all for now.